Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Unang madalas na rason as to why people cheat, my love, ay unmet needs. Hindi lang ikaw ang may pangangailangan sa isang relasyon. Hindi mo pwedeng idahilan yung salitang busy ako kapag nanghihingi na ng atensyon ang partner mo. You have to understand, my love, na kapag pumasok ka sa isang relationship, you are also entering a commitment. Meron ka ng responsibilidad sa taong yon, whether you like it or not. Responsibility to be there for them, to make them feel safe and secured, to add to their source of happiness. And along with it, meron ka na ding pananagutan sa source nila of possible pain, stress, and heartbreak. So kapag sinabi nilang nag-cheat ako kasi parang baliwala na ako sa'yo, yes, they are wrong, but not entirely. You have to make time for them, my love. You have to attend to their needs as well. Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang ang laging iniintindi. If you ask for something from your partner, you have to be willing to do something for them too. Again, if you don't want them to look the other way, attend to their needs. It's a simple thing to do for someone you love. Tandaan mo yan, okay? Love, eto na ang second usual reasons as to why people cheat. Sexual desire. At this point, rated SPG na po tayo. But this one is actually true. Plain, simple, and true. Some people wants variety when it comes to this experience. Yung lust na tinatawag natin ay hindi nila ma-handle well. If you are not available or they find someone sexually attractive and very much available for the taking, they might just take it. But at this point also, never blame yourself for anything. Sila yon, sa kanila yon. If sinabi nilang one time lang naman yon at wala namang ibig sabihin, it might be true, but it doesn't mean na pwede na. Syempre hindi. Let's not underestimate the idea of physical intimacy. Let's not cheapen the experience. Wala naman yan sa performance eh. It shouldn't be about that. It should be about two people who are passionately sharing a moment. If you think hindi pa ready ang partner mo to do it, then wait. The longer it's delayed, the better the experience will be. Trust me, again, practice self-control. Nilagay ang utak mo sa taas, hindi sa baba. Paganahin mo yan, sayang. Okay, love, awat muna tayo sa usapang sulutan. Ayan, intindihin muna natin ang isa nating kabisyo na nangangailangan ng tulong sa ating Byahe Sender of the night. This one ay mula sa ating text line na 0917-851-4329. This one ay mula kay Kyle ng Quezon City. Hi, good evening DJ Lala. Just want to ask po, ano po ba ang assurance na mahal ka talaga ng babae? I'm just too confused lang po kasi. I have a girlfriend right now, pero she said madali siyang magsawa at madali ding mag-fade yung feelings niya. Dapat po ba talagang sabihin sa akin yun? I know naman po na I'm not perfect, but I can assure her I'll be the right man for her. May kasabihan nga po, 'di ba? Don't love a girl by her petals, love her thorns too. What I mean is, hindi lang yung panlabas na anyo ang mahalin. Love a girl inside and out. Napatanong lang po talaga ako, DJ Lala. Thank you and stay safe. It's me, Kyle from Quezon City. Hi Kyle, well, sana all may ganyang partner. Sana all may mga ganyang saying. Pero kidding aside, no, as for the question, kung may assurance ba na mahal ka ng isang tao, in general na to, wala love. Love is a gamble, hit and miss, sugal. You may end up being happy or you may end up getting hurt. That's just the way it is. Pero in your case, kung may ganyang disclaimer na si girl, then be alarmed. No matter how noble your intentions are, sadly, yung kanya ay hindi. Para siyang cold warning to cheat or leave you when the time comes at sabihin niyang, I told you so in the end. Do not give her that satisfaction. I am not asking you to leave her. I am asking you to give her a choice to either change yung ganyang behavior or you leave. Hindi pwedeng siya lang ang may mga kondisyon, dapat ikaw din. Dapat at least man lang irespeto niya yung oras mo of proving her how much you love her. Dapat matuto siyang irespeto yung fact na may ibang tao sa relasyon at hindi lang siya. If you'll agree kasi sa ganyang setup, you are giving her all the go signal to go crazy because you'll stay no matter what. I love the idea. I love the idea na don't love a girl by her petals, love her thorns too. But do not settle if ang nakukuha mo lang ay thorns. Another tip though, from one honest and loyal girl's perspective. Yes, I mean me, and I am that confident. No girl will ever say that if they want a serious relationship with someone. Believe me. Okay? I hope that one gave you clarity, Kyle. Ikaw na bahala sa clarity na yan at realization at some point. Ikaw na bahala dyan. Pero that is my perspective over this girl. At syempre, kung katulad ka din ni Kyle, meron ka ding sariling problema that you wanna share my way, go ahead by all means. Pwede nyo akong i-message sa aking Facebook fan page, DJ Lala Banderas, or text me through 0917-851-4329. Again, 0917-851-4329. So love, andito na naman tayo sa dulo ng ating biyahe. Pero bago ako gumarahe, eto na ang last common reason as to why people cheat. Low self-esteem. Yes, low self-esteem, and no, it's not petty. Hindi yan mababaw. If hindi ikaw yung tipo ng tao na showy or vocal sa nararamdaman mo, baka isa ka din sa mga taong hindi man lang makabuga every once in a while ng compliment sa partner nila. You see, people do love being appreciated, being praised, and being noticed. If hindi mo yan maibibigay sa kanya and all you can say is, ang taba mo, ang pangit ng damit mo, ano ba yung suot mo, or puro utos, or puro pintas. Some other people with fresh eyes might see your partner differently and won't be shy to compliment them. This will give them the idea that they deserve better and that they can get more than what they are receiving from you. They can be treated better. So love, if kasama mo yung partner mo ngayon, please tell them something you love about them. Say a compliment to boost their self-esteem. Tandaan mo, ikaw lang ang taong may kapangyarihan to boost their confidence off the roof, as well as the only person who can break it into pieces. Remember that, okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, I think that's it for me. Covered ko na ang mga reasons as to why people cheat. Ikaw na ang bahala sa gagawin mo sa information na yan. I hope it helps for you to maintain a strong and long-lasting relationship. For now, mga kabisyo, pwede nyo na lang muna ako sundan or i-message sa aking Facebook fan page, DJ Lala Banderas, or sa aking other socials, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Laika, DJ Lala Banderas. And of course, ang ating mga episodes will always be uploaded sa YouTube channel ng Love Radio Manila. So mga love, magkita-kita na lang tayo ulit bukas. Nakasama nyo po DJ Lala Banderas para sa aking programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Dito lang yan sa 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Good night everybody. I'll see you guys again sa tomorrow's episode ng Biyahe. Good night. Love you.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.